The term error code F18 in a washing machine refers to a drainage system issue. This error can be caused by several factors, including a blocked pump filter, a clogged drainage hose, or a faulty pump. To resolve the issue, start by cleaning the pump filter, which is usually located behind a small flap at the bottom of the machine. Open the flap, remove the filter cap, and thoroughly clean the filter under running water to remove debris and blockages. After cleaning, replace the filter and secure the cap. Next, inspect the drainage hose for any clogs, kinks, or damage by disconnecting it from the washing machine and the drainage system. Rinse the hose with warm water to dislodge any debris, and consider replacing it if it's damaged beyond repair. If the issue persists, inspect the pump for visible damage, particularly the impeller blades, and look for signs of breakage or missing parts. In complex cases, it may be necessary to seek expert assistance for pump replacement. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the error code F18 issue and get your washing machine functioning properly. Again,